Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Today I'll be adding bacon to this soft, smooth vanilla coconut flavored gelato. Ingredients are bacon with butter, 200ml pure cream, 1 can of coconut milk, vanilla extract, 1/3 of a cup vanilla collagen protein, 1/4 cup of arrowroot flour, and that's about 1/2 cup monk fruit icing sugar. Step 1. Turn on your ice cream machine so the bucket goes cold. Step 2. Grab a frying pan, add the butter. When it melts, crisp up the bacon so it's very dry. If you like, you can burn the bacon a bit, but I like to be safe. Can't afford to waste food these days. Plate it and then let it air cool and dry. It'll get crispier. Step 3. Then put it in a blender or food processor so it's a fine powder. You can leave chunks, it'll just add chewiness to the ice cream, it's still very nice. Step 4. Then add 1 tub of cream, 1 can of coconut milk, 1/4 cup arrowroot flour, 1/4 or 1/3 cup of monk fruit sweetener, and some vanilla extract. Step 5. Blend it all together, then pour it in the ice cream machine. Put the lid on and wait half an hour. I know I showed you 60 minutes on mine, but the machine stopped itself on half an hour because the ice cream was too thick. Easy prep, serve it right away or freeze it for later. Warning, it will solidify like a rock and will need a bit of thawing, so maybe refrigerate it in an airtight container and eat it within 2 to 3 days. Personally, I eat the whole bucket, it's not that big. Delicious, enjoy and be seeing you.